Here we have a 1988 Carrier International window air conditioner. I got this thing from Van, Nuremberg HVAC, a few weeks ago. It's a really nice unit, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably one of the better units it's probably one of the best units I have, honestly. Well, pretty good for having, it's a really good rotary unit, not gonna lie. So yeah, let's give a quick walk around. See, it has a Toshiba rotary compressor in here. You can see the top's a little faded. Here's the back of it. You can see it has the nice Carrier emblem on sticker right here. Definitely tell the thing has the 80s Carrier logo from past that's just like the Tech 2000s and the round ones. See, adjustable louvers. All right, let's start it up on fan only. I cleaned this thing up as well. You see? Run on low now. See, it's running good. There's some decent airflow back here. Has a timer as well. Turn down the thermostat. Alright, let's bring it up to my receiver's on. Let's bring it up to medium. Medium and high. Louvers don't really want to be, but works good. Alright. Oh, cool. Let's do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Take off this grill here. Needs a filter. I have some cutout filters, so I can give it a filter whenever I get to it. Here's the coil. It's in really good shape. The refrigerant's trying to go rush through it. Stay there. Oh yeah, it's not cold yet, but it's starting to go up. I can feel it from the bottom going up. Perfect. Alright, behave grills. Alright, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna let this thing run for a little bit and we'll be back. We'll take some temp checks. Alright guys, it's been running for a little while. Let's go between the speeds. Here's medium and high. Put it in between. Alright, let's get some temps. 36. Oh, God. 36. Yeah, that works perfectly. Let's open up the grill here. And we're also going to slide this thing out of the case as well, so. Ooh, a little frosty in here. Yeah, we're going to slide it out. We'll be back once it's slide out. And so yeah, let's shut it down for now. And we'll take some better temp checks once it's slid out. Alright, here it is out of the case. Here's the Toshiba rotary compressor right here and the GE fan motor right there. Let's turn it on low cool, so. Strap on fan first, and compressor. Yeah, it's fine. Kind of see the data, so let me switch over to the data. So right there's the data sheet right here. See all the information right there. Made in Korea. So yeah, we're gonna let this thing run for a little bit and we'll be back. Alright. Alright guys, it's been running for a while. Let's see what's going out. 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. Yeah, just about the same. Same as before. See, oil is icy cold. See what we're getting on the compressor. The compressor's about 114. This line's about 100. Let's see what we're getting back here. We're getting about 100. So yeah, let's go through the speeds. Here's medium and high. Go back to low. So yeah, guys, let's shut it down, put it back in the case, and end off the video. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.